So, as you're probably aware if you're looking at our videos, we're recommissioning, getting our MGmetre back up and running. Of course, it was parked up as a fully running car, but it's sat around such a long time in our garage while we've been doing other bits. We've now got to get it almost back commissioned. And one of the things we want to do is check inside the pistons by going in through the spark plugs there. We're going to use one of these little Borescopes. The one we're using, and we've used it before, is one that works off of your thumb. You've got a little module there, and that's powered via a USB lead that we've got plugged in up there. And you've got a little box here on the cord where you can lower or higher the brightness of the little camera, which is there, hopefully you can see, and it connects to your phone via Wi-Fi. So you then disconnect your Wi-Fi router, and once that's disconnected, you look in the list and you'll see this device. You connect that, then go back to the app, and then hopefully you can see there it's letting you use this little camera to poke down into voids and the pieces of the engine. Obviously it's a bit difficult for you to fully see, but you can see the idea there of how that little camera is then filming, and you can take little still shots or video footage. We might even have a little bit of video footage for you of how things look, and hopefully give us a little look at how things look in there, and hopefully they're not too rusty. Right, so what we're going to do now is take the spark plugs out so we can have a look inside. In our case, they're already loose because we've been painting the engine, so we've had them open, had a basic look down there, but you can't really see too much, so I hope this is going to let us have a good look down inside. Right, so we just had a little quick check, and the outer two are near the top, and these inner two are a lot lower down, so we're going to put the little borescope in there, and hopefully we'll get a nice little look inside. So you're not going to be able to see too much on our screen, so I'll stop there and hopefully we'll get a little bit of footage inside, and then we can talk a bit more. Right, so hopefully you've seen us having a little look in. As I say, we had a look in those two. We tried having a look in one of the end ones, and as we thought, the piston is too high, so you really can't see anything, so we'll have to turn the engine just round to bring those down so we can have a little look at those. Actually, they were cleaner than we thought in some ways, a little bit of debris, but actually a lot cleaner than we thought. What we're going to do is put a little bit of oil in there to soak in, but as I say, not as bad as we thought, and hopefully you'll be able to see from the images we took that actually it's quite a good view from this little Borescope, because we've used it before for doing little bits of DIY, looking up into a ceiling, and we've used it for other holes, and sometimes it works, sometimes it don't, but in there actually it really worked well. So as well as giving us a good look, hopefully it's give you a good look inside as well. And we thought, you know, a short video that's not really going to cover too much, but one that might be of interest. Right, so what we're now going to do is, in those two cylinders we had a look, we're just going to put a little bit of oil in each of them, and hopefully that'll soak in. Right, so we've put the oil in both of those. Now what we'll do is have a little look inside and see how that's gone in, and hopefully you'll get a little view of that as well. Right, so hopefully you see there how we had a look inside and how the oil has gone down in a little bit in the middle, but it has run down to the edges and hopefully goes down and around that cylinder. But we're not going to be using the engine straight away, so hopefully that will have a long time to soak in, and whatever is left after that long period of time will hopefully just burn off, and hopefully it can only do good and certainly shouldn't do any harm. And as we have to turn the engine over to do any other jobs rather than it being turned over completely dry, there will be that little bit of oil in there. And what we've done, I didn't see any need to show you that, is we have turned the engine over and had them two ones low, looked in them, they look very similar, and we've put the oil in those, so that will now sit and soak probably for quite a time, possibly even a few months while we're doing other jobs. And as I say, if we have to turn the engine over anymore, we won't be turning it over a lot while it's dry. And of course we were turning the engine over down here by the pulley, which you've probably seen us do in other videos. So hopefully that's been of interest to you. I mean, nothing really achieved as such, but it's shown you what we've done, give you a good look inside the cylinders. Now we're going to let that little bit of oil soak in. As always, don't forget to look at other videos we're doing on this and our other cars, and as always, thank you very much for watching.